In this video, I will show you how to use Setmore. So I'll go over everything they offer and how you can use it. So Setmore is a free scheduling software. They also have some paid plans available, but I'll just show you how you can use it and what exactly they offer. To get started, just go to setmore.com and just enter your email address here, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. I'll just sign up with Google. After doing that, enter your brand name, then which industry you're in and your phone number. Then here enter your time zone and currency and click on finish. Then from here you can choose to upgrade to one of the premium plans, or you can just continue with the free plan, which is what I'll do. So that's going to take you to your actual dashboard. Now from here there's a few things that you can do to get started. What I recommend doing first is going to the grow your brand section here, so that you can go and set up your booking page. So first you can upload a banner image, then your logo, then your business name. Now you've already entered that. Then your booking page URL can also be changed from here, for example, to the company name. Then you can write something about your brand, which people will see when they are booking, and you can go and select your brand color right here. If you click on this icon right here, you can then pick your own color right there, so you can just enter whatever your hex brand color is, or you can just go like this and find it that way. But for example, I'll just take this blue color. Then you can also change the button shape and the theme, so light or dark. And you can upload any photos if you want. You can also add in your contact details, your location, and here you want to go and set your business hours where people will be able to book in appointments. So for example, for Saturday, I will add until 1 p.m. Now here you can also add your links, so that's your website, Instagram, Facebook, or a custom link. And then once you've added all of this, just click on save. Now here you will see a preview, and you can just click on the share booking page button here and then just copy the link. And now if I open this in an incognito tab, you can now see it right here. Now you can see they have also set up these services. You can see a team section and reviews. Now I'll show you how you can edit your services and team and stuff like that. So from within your settings, you want to go to services, which is what I recommend doing first, and have 3 types of services set up automatically, which is a 15-minute meeting, 30-minute meeting, and a 1-hour meeting. Now to delete one, just click on the 3 dots and click delete, and then click yes, delete. Now you can also add more if you want by clicking plus and then choose if it's a service or class. For example, I'll go service, then here enter the duration, so for example 90 minutes. You can set a buffer time. So that means that if this appointment is done, then for the next however many minutes you add, there won't be any appointments booked. Then you can also set up a cost and a location and a category if you want. You can also upload an image to go along with it, and you can enter the service title here, such as cut men's hair, and then just click create in the bottom. Now a few more things you can do here is add your teams. So if you go to your team, you can click plus and then here add your team member and choose their permission level. And then you will also be able to assign services to specific people here in the right. For example, if I have 3 people here and only 2 of them can do it, then I would untick all team members and just select the ones that can do it. Now you can also collect payments, so you can go to payments here and then connect Stripe, Square, PayPal, or one of these other options. Personally, I like Stripe the most. And then you can accept booking page payments, so you can turn it on, but you will need to connect Stripe or one of the other ones first. And then you can require a payment upfront so that people need to pay to actually book in the appointment. Now in the integration section, you can also integrate with video meeting tools such as Zoom and Google Meet. So if your meetings are online, then I recommend doing that. And you can also set it up with Google Reviews. You can add a booking widget to your website on any of these right here. So that includes Squarespace, Shopify, Wix, and more. You can sync your calendar. You can connect to your sales and CRM platform, your accounting platform, so they only have QuickBooks, email marketing platforms, and then finally business apps, including Zapier, where you can integrate with pretty much anything. Now in the calendar section, you can also see every single booked appointment. So if there is an appointment booked in your calendar, then you can see it right here. What you can also do is book something in yourself. So for example, if you have something in your personal life, and let's say this is on the 28th of November right here. from 9:30 until 11, then you can just enter that block right here. And the reason you may want to do that is that now people won't be able to book anything in right there. So that's something that you can do if you're not available for a certain moment. You can just book an appointment for that, even if you don't have an appointment. You can also go to the customers section, and here you will be able to see all your customers. You can also add a customer or import customers from somewhere else. Now you may want to consider upgrading to the Pro plan, because then you can also get a two-way calendar sync with your own calendar, so that if you do have a personal appointment, then people won't be able to book in on your Setmore calendar, and the other way around too. So if you have an appointment that was booked in through Setmore, it will also show up in your personal calendar, for example, Google Calendar. And you will also get iOS and Android apps, a custom booking page, and on top of the free plan, you will also get the Pro integrations, recurring appointments, and you can remove Setmore's branding. And this is in the Pro plan, which is for 1 to 2 users, and the Team plan is for unlimited users. And with monthly billing, Pro is $12 per user per month, and Team is $9 per user per month. So now you can just start using it and just share it wherever you want, or add it to your website. But you can just share your booking link, and then once someone books in an appointment, it will show up right here. And in these settings, you can also set up some more settings for your calendar. For example, how long can people book in advance? Stuff like that. You can add it in the booking page overview right here, where you can set your booking preferences, scheduling window, and all of that. So now you know how to use Setmore. If this Setmore tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.